it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. If you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, earlier today, I actually analyzed some assets for us, and we will be checking out those assets tonight, okay? The next 1215 minute time frame had been on uptrend for a very long time. And earlier today, if you should remember very well, I told us that this is selling from the resistance zone, okay? But because it has always been pulling back on this support trend, then I am not sure if it will be able to break out from the support trend. If it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then it will go back on uptrend. So this is very, very important. Okay. And as you can see, it tried to break out, but still went back in. And of course, this actually led it into an uptrend. So as you can see, this is not magic. You just need to apply the right principle and you will get it right. Okay. So if you remember earlier today, I told you even if you are going to sell from here and close your trade at this point, okay, until it breaks out right from here, clearly before you can say you can continue with the trade, with the downtrend. As you can see, immediately it goes there, played around there for a while and went back on uptrend, okay, and it is buying at the moment. So this is more of a buying opportunity, selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Also today, GainX 999 had been on uptrend for a while and it got to this resistance zone and I said it has not been able to break out from there. So this is actually switching into a downtrend. So and it gave us a sell signal. So I quickly dropped some highlighted section for us. Entry points, the resistance zone, and of course some highlighted TPs. Okay, so we can see it triggered our entry point. First TP achieved, second TP triggered, and of course heading towards the top TP. If it's achieved this, then we will be checking it out to see if it will get to the fourth TP. Okay, but while you're trying to chase the first fourth TP, make sure you adjust the stop loss to lock up some part of your profit. I believe you know how to do that. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Also, earlier today, we actually checked out this particular asset. And of course, it gave us a downtrend signal right from the resistance zone, triggered our entry point, achieved our first TP, and of course, second TP, third TP, and even the fourth TP. So guys, congratulations to you all who are able to pick up all these signals. Okay, I'm really happy that we are having a back-to-back winning opportunity on all our trades today. I'm really happy. Okay, so this has actually gotten to the fourth TP before having this turnaround. So this is buying at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to say more of a buying opportunity. I don't know if it's going to break out from here. If it does not, it may likely go back on downtrend and still sell, but for now it is still. The next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, this is Paynex 999, and earlier today I also analyzed this asset, even though it was yet to trigger the entry point as at the time we analyzed it together. But I gave us the setup, it has already given us the downtrend and, of course, a sell signal. And I told us if it gets to this region, it's going to trigger our entry point, and we are most likely to achieve all our TPs. Okay, so as we can see, we have achieved the first TP and we have achieved the second TP, and this is still selling. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been playing around the resistance zone for a while, and it is still playing just the way we are seeing it. It has not been able to break out above it, and it has not been able to break out below this support region. Okay, so this is still playing within this region. However, we are still expecting it to sell, and at the moment it is still selling. The only reason why it will not sell is if it breaks out above the resistance zone, which is yet to, it is yet to achieve this. Okay, since it is yet to achieve this, then it will still be pushing downwards to see if it can break out below this and activate our entry point. Okay, so this is more of a selling opportunity at the moment than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right away. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.